safe?
Archie loves being in the water, and he'll stay in for the full 2 hours. He gets exercise and he gets to practice his swimming, and the teachers are here to help him on his technique if he needs to as well.
Like fun and have different people in the pool.
Sort of haven't been suitable for siblings to go to, so that makes it a bit more difficult if you've got more than one child. So it's just really good that the whole family can come.
Charlie can have fun, and we can just come as a family and swim, which is quite nice.
We've been coming for a couple of years now. Ava was only young, so she wasn't even, she was just about getting used to the water. But now she's swimming a few lengths.
I like to do some swimming.
It's not just about having fun and developing the social aspect, it's not about developing them physically. Just, you know, children with Down syndrome have low muscle strength, so swimming will help build those muscles for helping them walk and run and do other things that other children do.
Vital for us to be able to continue to run the sessions for children and young people to learn and develop and be able to swim.
I do try to run laps around. I like it. Lots. Yeah.